All right, is it on? Looks like it's on. Okay, we are go for liftoff. All right, so we are um, updating this Arch Linux install with all these new maintainers. Record key missing from keyring. Okay, we're gonna run it again. We ran all these key install things. Okay, it's asking us if we want to import these keys. I think it's just getting stuck. Maybe we went a little bit farther this time. I think we just need to do this a few times to import all the keys. Okay. Frederick Sean could not be imported. All right, 4 months ago, signature issues. It's loud now. Something happened. HTOP says nothing now. Upgrade Arch Linux keyring. I love the Arch community. Could not open file. Unrecognized archive format. I think we're trying to upgrade too far. CST. Pacman key. Populate Arch Linux. All right, so that looks like what we're supposed to see when we update the Arch Linux keys thing. That's the output. This color and boldness is the correct color and boldness for the output there. So hopefully that's what we wanted. That usually runs when we do this update of Arch Linux keyring. I do remember that, even though it's been at least 5 years. And I can't even remember how long it's been since I ran Arch regularly. All right, this doesn't look promising, folks. All right. We need to do an update. This thing is way too old. So, okay, so all I want is a Linux machine that works. I guess I had that DigitalOcean droplet. Okay, fine. We'll use the DigitalOcean droplet. That's right. I forgot about that. It's too late. All right. Probably paid up 40 cents for this thing. Fucking 40 cents. All right, Windows, let's go. I'm not having good luck right now. Now with the computers. Okay. Okay. So Let's jump on into our droplet, which is maybe powered off, but still charging me. Shadig. Shadig. All right, DigitalOcean. Oh my God. It's almost $1. Ridiculous. I want ubiquitous compute. I want ubiquitous freedom and privacy preserving compute. Okay. So, okay. Let's go to PuttyGen. Let's load. Open. Okay. Copy. Okay. Where are we? PWD hostname. Okay. T-A. Let's go ahead and put this on the authorized keys files. And then we'll just putty directly into this and we'll do sudo apt get install -y tmux. All right. Okay. Oh wait, that's not the same one. Oh no, okay, I added it manually, obviously. So let's do change settings. We're gonna say DO power. And then we're gonna copy the IP address. We will log into load DO power, set the IP, save it back, open the connection, accept the host key. Boom, we're in tmux. Fucking finally. All right, htop. This thing is probably like 20 times more powerful than the server behind me. I don't know, about the same. I'm just paying 10 cents an hour for 16 less gigabytes. That's okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just messing around. Okay, so that was the network bridging stuff. So let's get back to, maybe we'll switch computers here. Your battery is either charging bad or missing. Okay, are we still on? Are we still on? We are still on. Okay, so I realized I wasn't talking into the mic that whole time. So basically, what we've been doing is we spun something up on DigitalOcean, then we decided it just didn't feel right. So so we persisted with the server. Now we're on the server. We're still not able to update the keys, but I think we can run Docker commands just fine. Sudo and Python, which is what we care about. So sudo mkdir pdxjohnny, sudo chown pdxjohnny, pdxjohnny, pdxjohnny colon space pdxjohnny. Now let's look at our home directory. Great. Okay, so let's go ahead and tar that shit. All right, great. Okay, so, ooh, man, lightning fast now. Let's actually go ahead and do that with dd status equals progress like we were talking about last night. Because that'll just be a lot more interesting. So let's see, this is a tar command. So we're actually going to run bash dash c, and then we're going to say dd, or no, yeah, bash dash c, because we want to run this all on the other side. And when we're going to put single quotes, and we're going to say dd if equals dev std in, and then of equals dev of equals, we're actually going to say, so right caret, open paren, and then we're going to give our tar command, and then we can say status bs equals, let's say 100m, or 10m, and then status equals progress, maybe 100m or 1000m. Oops. if equals dev status equals progress. Why is it writing? Dev or xvz c home we'll say echo, just so we can see what happens. if equals dev stdin, of equals status equals progress, v x z. Was it because we had v on there? Here, we'll just put the tar command at the end. Okay, so input file dev std out. Okay, we got no progress on that. Let's change this to block size equals 10m. Block size equals 1m. All right, screw this. No progress. It's probably done by now. Probably would have been done if I just left it. You know what we could do is we could um, download ArchLinux and just overwrite the files. We could just overwrite our existing files. Or maybe I'll just figure out how to boot to USB at some other point. So let's go. Okay, yeah. Okay, seeing some progress here. God forbid we forget to transfer the pip cache. Things are filling up. Okay, great, we're done. Wow, that was so fast. So much better than DigitalOcean connection. Killing that droplet. Wow. Holy, wow. Okay. Um, that was great. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's the only way to go. The only way to go. Wow, that's fantastic. I ran a giant cable, a really long cable. What am I doing? I ran a really long cable up to my. All right, so let's try to log in again and see what happens. Okay, python-m pip install -u schema. Okay, so I have this thing that automatically records everything to schema pip setup tools. So, but we had to install schema and then, but before we do that, we have to install pip because this is a really old version. So we needed to upgrade pip. Always upgrade pip setup tools and wheels and wheel. All right, so now we're going to duplicate this session again. Boom. Okay, here we go. Duplicate. All right, there we go.